Alright, so we're going to be recording a video with my beautiful mother now. Hi, Mom. So, Mom.
Hi.
There she is. So, Mom, what do you have to say about anything that's on your mind? What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about architecture, history, and prosperity of this society in future. I think we can connect past with future. That will be nice.
Yeah, I agree.
Beautiful ancient structures. And that is history. That is really art. When you're looking each piece of art.
Yeah, I agree. There's this, we're here in Italy and we have the blessing of looking at all of the history and the art and architecture, and it's the past, like you said, but we have the future behind us as well with all those skyscrapers. And I saw when we were at the subway station, I saw that there was a program on television. They were teaching about science and technology, and so it was very interesting seeing that, like you just said, how do we blend together the future and the past?
Future and past.
It's that intergenerational wisdom and the importance of going from, you know, your generation to mine and from grandma's, and that's the same thing for your families, everyone that's tuning in. How do you take what your grandparents taught your parents and how they teach you, and how do we keep the intergenerational wisdoms over time? Because people still need to appreciate the design and architecture of things like this, but also it's important to understand the science and futurism that we're going to too. Love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Thanks for talking with us. It's nice having Mom shed some wisdom every once in a while. I love you.
I love you too.
Thanks.